Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find videos you have liked on TikTok. So let's get started. When you open your TikTok app, go to profile, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from your profile you will see heart. Tap on heart and scroll down, and here all video you have liked. So, and some different option you can enable to lock and hide your liked video from your profile. So you should tap on three lines at the top right corner to open main menu, then tap on settings and privacy, and here you will see privacy. Go to privacy. In very bottom, scroll down, you will see liked videos. As you can see, by default selected everyone, so everyone can see your liked videos. You go to liked videos and select only me. This means only you can watch your liked videos. If you go back, as you can see, now this heart is locked and hide from everyone who won't see your liked video from your profile on TikTok. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.